It's become my most useful tool. It's a Cracker Barrel toothpick. And to keep it right here, I've got two of them. Whatever the occasion would be that it would arise that I would need one of those Cracker Barrel toothpicks, I got two of them at hand. Lay yourself in one. You'll find a multitude of uses for them. And you know, I was wondering how I was going to do it. I was not sure. The fiasco of sorts, the problem I had, when I come to the end of the page, it just happened on me all at once that I couldn't go any further. Okay, and I challenged Greg M. Porter. I challenged Greg to explain it to me how to move on, and with all the comments from the subscribers plus the unexpected, oh so well put together. Thank you, Greg. A personal thank to you, sir. I was not expecting such. Definitely an A+ from me. And in that light of things, when I shut off the lights, all the machinery had been shut down for a little bit, you know, and just kind of reflecting. Yeah, it's that funny. Man, not to stray with my thoughts, as I sometimes do, not to stray at this time. The light bulb up here, a wonderful little invention of some controversy as to who actually invented it. I'm going to go on the positive side and suggest that Nikola Tesla was responsible for the light bulb. I mean, give Edison credit if you want to, and all of those other Westinghouse, give them all credit. But Tesla, you know, he was the man in the shop, like in a shop, not unlike this right here, or a multitude of other home shops. There was Nikola Tesla slaving away and actually making it work, his theory. Leave a comment. In honor, I guess, or in replay, and a great thank you, Greg. I can, well, it's time to turn the page. So, I thought I would thank you and turn the page. So, the only thing I don't have on here is the date, and I'm going to put that on there when I put this down. I do date everything, and I also page number everything. I'm on page 300 now. Since I started this note-keeping seriously, I'm on page 300. That's pretty good. And the problem was, stop the presses. The problem was, I'll tell it to you. I added another subject to, you know, I had a perfect layout, like this right here is. This right here, that's the bad light over there in red. A 60-watt, a regular incandescent bulb, you know, a good bulb. And it went bad. That's a bad one. And just so happened I had a good one. So, I'll date this, and you know, 4 or 5 years from now, I am interpreting my own notes. Then I pretty much know what this is. But I don't know. I may get that framed. Anyway, right down here at the bottom, it says, it's time to turn the page. Okay, it's that parrot right here. Say hello, parrot. You know I wouldn't have did this. Let's see where that's at. The parrot ain't said a word. But parrot, do you want to classify this as a Fireside Chat? If you do, well, how far? Are you cool with that? Huh? Parrot ain't gonna say nothing. But always, I mean, I talk to that parrot every now and then. See if you'll be right there. Yeah. Just answering comments. You know what I mean? Just answering comments. That's all. You know, leave a comment at some point in time. I get to it. And the not to forget the measurements. I'm going to put some steel shots in here. And I ain't much on knowing how to put that music over yonder on my videos without copyright thing. But anyways, just, you know, put some on the background and enjoy these steel shots I'm going to throw up here at you. And it's the close-up dimensions on this Flywheel shipping crate, let's call it. I built 3 of them, and they have proved out to be a good item. Build yourself one. Have it on standby. For the McCormick Deering International M, Type M, a 1.5 horsepower size flywheels. I actually, no, I didn't. Lord, I neglected. Oh yes, and another thing too, and I'm going to take it on my own. This is Sunday. You know, I forgot that. Hey, parrot. Well, the parrot ain't said nothing, but surely somebody would have tipped me off that it was Sunday, and I didn't know it till just a little bit ago. And I normally don't do nothing on Sunday, so you know I'll have to make amends for this building project I've had going here today. I'll have to do that, but I can handle it. You know, I'll make amends for sure. Probably tomorrow I won't do nothing. But if anyways, I will. I'll take care of that. Say good night, parrot. Hey.